It's a Pioneer p41 farm saw 2. It's an early 80s. Got, I think, a 24-inch bar and chain, full comp chain on it. As you can see, it's pretty old. Let me see if I can get the old girl started. As you can see, it runs pretty good. I think these are 65 cc. I think it's 4 cubic inch maybe. Got the gas and all up front here. 2 bolts for your chain tightener. Adjustment tension screws in here. Air cleaners up here. Top, full wraparound handle on the saw. As you notice, it doesn't have the chain guard on it here. It doesn't have a chain brake. Only vibration control it's got is down here for your trigger finger. You'll feel the full vibration up here, which I think is a good thing. You can tell if something comes loose by how much more it's vibrating. That's a pretty good saw. Cuts really fast. Thanks for looking.